How to upload an image onto Canva. Hey everyone, it's Maria here with Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Okay, so there's three different ways that you can use to upload your design, a folder, a video, audio, anything, to upload anything onto Canva. And the first one I'll show you is just from here on the main Canva page. You can see there's a lot going on, especially if you're new to Canva, designs, templates, Canva AI, a couple things on the side here. But what we're looking at is down here where it says upload. You're just going to click on that and then upload file. Again, you can always upload a folder as well, but we're going to upload a file. And we're just going to pick this image of a reed here. We'll hit open. And then you can use it in a new design or you can edit the image. I will click use in a new design. And again, there's lots of drop downs here. We can use this in a landscape video, in a Facebook post, in an Instagram post. We're just going to do a custom size here. And so you can see that image of a REIT has loaded here. And so that's how I've uploaded it the first time. Now, if you go over to the uploads folder here on the left, you're going to see that that image hasn't uploaded into my uploads folder. And you'll see what I mean here in a second. So let's delete this image. And another way we can add an image is by dragging it into Canva. So we'll go to my files here. We'll click that same image of a REIT and we're just going to drag it into Canva. And now you can see here where the uploads folder is that it's loading something. And you can see here that this image of a REIT is loading. So now with this method, this image of a REIT is now in my uploads folder. Now, the third way that you can upload files is just by going up here where it says upload files. So again, we've gone from the image over to the left where it says uploads, and then we're going to click on upload files. You can also go to the three dots here, and then you'll see you can also upload from your Google Drive, from your Google Photos, even videos from YouTube, Dropbox. There's a lot of different options here, but typically I just upload them from my computer. So we'll go to upload files. We'll pick that same image of a REIT. We'll hit open. And now you can see that it's loading again in my uploads folder. Personally, this is the method that I use the most. I just find that's just what comes easier for me. But all three of these can work. It's just whatever works for you. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments below or by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.